Dear students, last class in this chapter, electricity and circuits, we had discussed about the electric cell and electric bulb. Electric cell is nothing but the source of electric current. It contains two terminals, the positive and negative. The cap of the cell is positive terminal and the flat side is the negative terminal. And it's generate the chemical inside the battery generate the electricity. Next one, the electric bulb. Electric bulb also containing two terminals, and at the top portion of the bulb is containing the transparent glass cover. Within that there is a very thin wire called filament is coiled, and it is supported by other two somewhat thick wire, and those thick wires are connected to the terminals of the bulb. Each one is connected to the terminal. Positive, one is connected with positive and another is connected with the negative. So like that, last class we discussed these things. And today we are going to do some activities. Through that we are going to understand the next topic, nothing but the electric circuit. What is electric circuit? See in your textbook page number 118. There are number of figures has given, isn't it? See here. So I also made one arrangement such like that one arrangement to show you. See, can you see this? The battery top is positive and the bottom is the negative. I connected two wires with the the bulb. It also contains two terminals. So here in the textbooks we have 6 positions of connection of these wires and the battery with the electric cell and the electric bulb. But some of these position the bulb is not glowing. In some position the bulb is glowing. If we compare these figures together keenly, it is clear that when the connections are proper and completed one, then the bulb is glowing. If the connection is not proper, sometimes the wire is not connected with this terminal properly, so it is be like this. It is not touching one terminal, the bulb won't glow. Sometimes here it is connected and here it is not connected, on that time also bulb won't glow. Sometimes in the bulb connections the bulb won't glow. So the given 6 figures, out of 6 figures, 4 figures the bulb is not glowing. It shows that the connections in those figures are not proper. It contains loose connection, so the bulb is not glowing. But the 2 figures out of 6 figures, in which the bulb is glowing, containing the proper connection. It may be we are using number of, here I used only 2 wires. In those figures number of wires are used, 4 wires are used. But each and every wires are connected properly with the proper terminal, then the bulb may glow. From this, as a conclusion, we can say that the path which we are making the current to flow from the electric source and reaches the electric appliances is complete one, then only the electric appliances can work. Here the wire is connected properly with the one terminal of the battery to the other terminal of the bulb, and from one terminal of the bulb, another terminal of the bulb, the wire is connected properly with the other terminal of the battery, then only the bulb is glowing. So, the complete path which allow the current pass through it, means flows through it, is called electric circuit. The path of the current is known as electric circuit. It is a special path that we are making using by the wires, and we are connecting those wires with the electric source. Battery is the electric source. It generate the electricity, and we are connecting the wires properly with the electric source and also the electric appliances which consume the electricity and work. So the connection is proper and the path is a complete one, as a closed one, then the electric appliances will be work. Is it clear, students? So electric circuit is nothing but the complete closed path which allow the electric current to pass through it. So then only the current reaches the bulb and the filament will glow. The bulb's filament will glow and give the lights to us. So in this activities, in 4 figures, it is clear that the connection is not completed one. The circuit is not a closed one. It is a breaked one. It is, isn't it? Somewhat the connections are loose. So we are saying the circuit is break. So the bulb is not glowing. It may be a reason for that. But not only this, sometimes the circuit may be a complete one. See, here also I used the circuit is a complete one, but the bulb is not glowing because the filament of the bulb sometimes get breaks into 2 pieces. So on that time also the circuit is not a complete one. Why I am saying? I already told in the bulb, this wire is connected with one terminal, the another wire which is supporting to the filament connected with the another terminal. So inside the bulb also the current from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the bulb, and it reaches the wire and flows through the filament. Then from it's come back to the next terminal to the another end of the bulb. Then it again reaches the battery. This is the complete one. But when the filament is break, the current from the source will come and stop here because the circuit is not complete one. So like this situations also the bulb won't glow. So the bulb may fused. Fused means when the filament become a break, we are saying bulb is fused. The bulb may fused, otherwise the connections, the outer sides of the bulb, the given connection is loose one, the bulb won't glow. Okay.